Hey folks, welcome to MarineMax Kent Island. I have a 2026 Saxdor 340 GTWA to walk through with you. WA, stand up and walk around. You'll see some of the features here shortly. So let's enjoy the tour. Great lounging area up front. A high-low table. Yes, we are in the command center right here. The helm of the Saxdor 340 GTWA, two really nice large Simrad displays. You've got your joystick for JPO, bow thruster, automatic trim tabs, of course your binnacle, button controls, inductive charging, and of course VHF radio for all you safety boaters. Nice bucket seats here with the drop-down bolsters, a drop-down foot pad for your co-pilot. Electric, optionally, this is an electric high-low table right here. Great seating area. Of course, that window in the back, that window does come down all the way, and you can see that there. Of course, don't forget every boater's best friend. Well, we have a refrigerator in here on the port side of your helm. Back here is the aft cuddy cabin. Let's go and take a look in the aft cuddy cabin. You got a full-size bunk down here. The seat flips up, locks in the up position. Go down here, door slides open. Nice big cuddy cabin. There's an aft hatch that opens up, and you can also access it the other way. So you can actually make this toy storage or sleeping area. This one is set up as a sleeping area. You've got your lights, air conditioning, bunk, all your safety gear, and nice ports too for daylight down there as well. Those are topper cushions, one for back here and one for up forward too, for extra berthing comfort. Let's head down to the forward cabin here. Nice V-berth, your little settee here. Nice V-berth here. That's a bow filler cushion up there. That's a hatch that leads up through the cushions up forward in the forward sleeping and dining area up there. We'll take a look at that shortly. This is your head. It's an electric toilet. Got the sink, all your accoutrements in here. And for privacy, this door here just unclips here, and just swings around. And this locks right in for privacy if you're in there, just like so, and you're good to go. Little cabinetry over here. Saxdor goodie bag for the next owner of this boat. Really nice cabin. All the safety features. Over here you've got your air conditioning control and your JL audio speaker. And in here, of course, is your master panel for all of your shore power and DC power on board. This boat has a lithium-ion power system on board, not a fossil fuel generator. And you can see this great screen here that shows you the status of your domestic or your service house battery and your lithium bank. Pretty neat system. Lithium bank runs your grill, which is back on the aft deck, and also your air conditioning and your outlets. So let's go ahead and take a walk around the main deck. Go out the starboard side here on the walk around, the WA. So your waist and your water fill over here. These are the synthetic flexi-teak decks here, really nice. The side drops down, becomes a really nice balcony area for swimming, entertaining, kind of widening the boat out quite a bit. That looks really cool going up and down, controlled by this panel right over here. Great storage in here for fenders, lines, and then all those accoutrements. Got your twin V8 300 horse Mercury outboards, Verados. I mentioned the grill. Here is your grill in there. Put some shrimp on the Barbie. Be entertaining all your friends. You'll never get rid of your friends. They'll want to stay on the boat the whole time. The carbon fiber ski tow pylon right here. It's removable as well, so it won't get in your way. This is the back of the cuddy cabin. And as you can see, this lifts up and gives you a great access down into there if it's toy storage. Otherwise, you can use the forward entrance to get into the cabin. 3 hooks up here for your aft sunshade with carbon fiber poles that go into the swim sponsons back aft. Put some nice shade back here if you don't want to be in the sun. Walking up on the port side in this GTWA walk around. Tremendous amount of skylights to provide light down into the cabin down below. It's really, really super nice down there, as you saw when we were just down a minute ago. Here's your forward seating area. That's an electric high-low table as an option equipped on this boat. Great seating all the way around. Good handholds, cup holders. You got your catapult anchor windlass down in there. It's pretty spectacular to watch how that baby operates. Love the windshield here. I mean, you're well protected, and you got heat and AC in the cabin. So you extend your seasons because or you can open it up. The sunroof in the cabin opens up, and so you can open your sides, open the sunroof, and you're outside, or you close it all up if it's cold out, and put yourself inside. These really large sliding glass doors on the port and starboard sides will open forward to aft and aft to forward. So you've got some options for a tremendous amount of airflow and flow of your guests throughout the cabin.